What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Cadillac CT5 Smart Key Remote Fob. This Cadillac CT5 key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2450, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we're going to do in order to change the battery is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing and holding down this release on the side that my thumb's on. Hold that button down and then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, we see there's this slot right here that you see me putting the emergency key into. What I'm going to do is push the emergency key in that slot, and as I do that, it's going to pop this back cover up. So just put it in there like that and then push it in. And it doesn't always pop all the way off as it just did there. Sometimes it just pops a little ways up and you'll need to take it the rest of the way off with your fingers. Once we get that off of there, we see there's this little round rubber piece. Go ahead and pick that up and we can see our battery right here. Get the old battery out and then we'll grab the new one, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up like that. Put that little rubber piece back down. Then we'll grab the back cover, and we want to make sure that we're starting the top end first, the wider end. You can see there's this little tab right here. So I'll just kind of slide that tab under there like that, then push it the rest of the way down, slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.